Hello folks, I'm LA Little and this is today's 1 minute trade. I've got the iShares for the Latin American 40 up. I was doing a search this morning for any potential bullish breakouts that exist. This was the only one that came up that met all the criteria. Remember, we have to meet 80% of the criterion that I specify in my book, the latest book. And the only one that comes up this morning after yesterday's drubbing is the Latin American shares. Now, I was looking at this ILF, and you can see that there was a retest regenerate taking place off the lows. I'm on the weekly, off the lows, and it got over it. That tells you that this thing is stronger than it has been, that it has now moved into some sort of a range trade. So you can easily see there's a range there and there's another one up here. It's in this top half. I would expect it's going to drift back in some with the world markets as weak as they are. Given that, if we look at the monthly, you can see that here you're doing a retest regen on the monthly off of this swing point low that broke. So the monthly would look like this in terms of how it sets up. So that one still is in a downtrend, and that one hasn't regenerated lower but still could. Pop over to the daily. If I look in the daily time frame, nice big spike up. Where's my volume bars? Where's my support? Well, on the TA Today charts, they'll show you where demand should show up. You can see it here. It's centered around these big bars, in particular the large 2. That's the support zone. A drift back into here is not a bad place to think about it. Worst case, it can come back and do a retest regen here. Your risk, therefore, has to be down into this area somewhere. Where's your reward? Well, you're looking at those highs again, potentially higher. That's the last.